ChatGPT has finally launched a web search function. So it seems amazing. So if you log into a ChatGPT today, you will see a search the web button here. So let us try. Let us press the search the web button. Let us try to find articles using ChatGPT. Find me 10 articles that support ChatGPT enhanced decision making of managers. Okay, good. So basically, ChatGPT show me, it gave me 10 articles. Okay, so you see there are links behind it. Okay, yeah, hyperlink here. So let's see if it is accurate. So if I press this button, not worth education, ChatGPT for leadership development, enhancing decision making and problem solving skills. Okay, almost correct. Okay, almost correct. Let's try another one. ChatGPT for people management and leadership. ChatGPT for people management and leadership. Very good. So basically, you will have a link behind. So it looks nice. Quite similar to Copilot though. I mean, Copilot can already do this when it was out previously. Let's try something else. Search the cheapest air ticket from Cebu to Kuala Lumpur for the month of December 2024. Oh, okay. So it can't directly search air ticket for me. I still have to go into Asia or Pate Airline to search myself. So, okay. So, yeah, it's kind of like Google. Kind of like Google. Let's try something else. You know, where am I? Oh, okay. It actually know my IP address, but I'm not actually in Kuala Lumpur. And then this is not my IP address also. So yeah, not quite good. If you're using Google, Google will know where you are. But since I'm using ChatGPT, it seems cannot know my exact location. I'm not in Kuala Lumpur. Maybe it use this based on my previous prompt. So what is my thinking about this ChatGPT search function? I think there are still a lot of improvement for this search GPT. For example, if I can directly search for air ticket without having to go into the website, it might be a better solution for me. For example, if I use Google Flight, I can directly search for flight without having going into the AirAsia interface. Hopefully, in the future, ChatGPT search engine can become better so that when we search for something, it will be easier for us to do so. So if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time.